What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make sales with your online dropshipping boutique by having a ambassador program. That is how I made 14K in sales when I was dropshipping. All the links you need will be down below. What you're gonna want to do is go to angels2hustle.com. Let me show you guys a screen recording. Show you my website. So this is my website, angels2hustle.com. You're going to want to click the three little lines in the right hand corner. And then you're going to want to click online boutique / dropshipping help. Now, if you don't know what an ambassador program is where you have ambassadors help promote your brand. They give a discount code to their followers and they pretty much increase your sales. I would definitely suggest having an ambassador program. So I do have ambassador program script and details. So pretty much with the ambassador script, that is pretty much what you write to ambassadors to get them to sign up, or is what you will use before your pre-launch. Because if you do have a dropshipping boutique or a boutique period, obviously you should promote before launching, you know, at least 2 to 4 weeks beforehand, or however long you need. If you need more time, that's cool too. But just don't like launch or drop a store, like always promote it. I had to learn that myself too, you know. So this is my ambassador script and details. I did create this myself. It says how to get sales with your online boutique by having an ambassador program. Are you having trouble getting sales for your online store? I got you. This is how I brought in over 14K in sales by finding ambassadors. So if you want to watch that video of how I made 14K in sales when dropshipping, click this icon at the top. That video will be there. So this is the exact same script and details I used when I did have my dropshipping boutique. And then the same script I used when I did do the dropshipping boutique challenge, which is linked down below as well. So this is the full ambassador program script and details. You save money when you get the you save money when you actually get the script and details versus buying them separately. If you just want to buy the script, you can buy that. If you just want to buy the details, you can buy that as well. Or you can buy it all together, the script and details. So this can work for other business owners as well, you know, like hair, lip gloss, lashes. If you sell that, pretty much all you have to do is change up the script and reflect it to like what you sell, you know. So don't just like, because the script will be like a digital download. It'll go straight to your email address. But make sure you read the script from top to bottom and correct it if you want to change something. Because if you just like use the exact script I got, it might say like example at your boutique name when you're supposed to write your actual boutique name in the script. So just make sure you read the script from top to bottom. So pretty much brand ambassadors tend to have a smaller social media audiences and generally purchase the product at a discounted price. So what you would do is give them brand ambassadors a discount code to purchase off your site. They earn money when they successfully get people to purchase products from the company using their personal promo code. So that is what a brand ambassador is. Now, what's included in the brand ambassador script and details when you purchase from me, it is $25. You can get 10% off if you click this little black get 10% off button at the bottom of the screen. But what's included is the pre-launch script. Pretty much a pre-launch script is what you use to write girls before launching, or if they write you. Officially launch script is what you use when you officially launch your online dropshipping boutique. Looking for ambassador script. There's a script that you will use when you want to look for ambassadors. Captions I use to get ambassadors. Hashtags I use to get ambassadors. What is a brand ambassador? What is a brand ambassador? What do they do? Brand ambassador requirements and perks and how to apply. Woo! That's a lot of stuff. So this ambassador script and details program that I created myself is packed and loaded. If y'all want to get that, like I said, the link will be down below. This script is for boutique owners who are struggling to get ambassadors, for boutique owners who want to increase their sales, for boutique owners who need help creating ambassador script and details, any business owner who needs help creating ambassador program. So this is how you access it after you purchase. Now, this is a digital download once you purchase from my site, meaning it'll go straight to your email address in your inbox. You can usually download it right after purchase, or if you don't see it right then and there, you might want to go back to your email address, check that, because you can download it there as well. So after purchase, you can download it right away. If you don't download it right away, check your email for a confirmation to download the digital product at a later time. So yeah, this is my ambassador program script and details. Just want to show you guys this. It is how I got sales with my dropshipping boutique. You could do you could do Instagram ads, Facebook ads, but for me, I figured out pretty much a way to not spend money up front, you know, like a free way, but not like, you know. So for my ambassadors, I would send out a free gift. First purchase is required. It's up to you if you want to have first purchase required or not. Like I said, you can tweak the ambassador script to your liking. You don't have to follow the way I script it. It's just pretty much like a template, like, you know, to help you out. So that is the ambassador program script and details. If you wanted to purchase them separately, like I said, you can get the details or you can get the script. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. But if you want to start your own online dropshipping boutique without holding any inventory, without shipping any items, like I said, your vendor does that for you. You can get a pre-made dropshipping website from me. I already made a video about that. You can click the icon at the top. Made a video. What's the name of my video? Oh, how to get a pre-made dropshipping boutique for your business on Shopify, your own website. Pretty much, I make the website for you. So that will be linked down below as well. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. I am out of breath. My baby's crying downstairs. I gotta go get her. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I do have more dropshipping. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I have more dropshipping videos coming. I'm trying to actually start my own dropshipping business as well. I'm trying to launch some things. If you check the description, you probably could see that, you know. Just read my description. Everything you need will be in my description. If you want 10% off any of the products on my website, be sure to sign up for text marketing on www.angelswhohustle.com. I'm going to link that right here. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon. And remember, you get in what you put in. Peace.